Hello everyone, today I'm gonna bake a cheesecake using Dr.Oetker's baking mix, and I need extra 500 gram quark and 250 gram butter. That's exactly 250 and 300 gram of yogurt. Everything is perfectly package, so I don't have to scale anything. And we need to fold this egg. So let's start. So let's open the package. There are 3 bags. The first one is baking mix, and this one is for topping. And this one is a decoration. It's optional if you only want. I don't really use it, so I don't need it. So we bowl and we put first the all of this. And we need the 100 gram of butter or margarine, but I'm gonna go for butter because it's healthy, and 1 egg. So we put everything and mix it. 100 gram, which is I don't you need because it's divided into 50 grams. I just need 2 of them. So I took it out already today early, and I didn't put it in the fridge, so it's so soft as I wanted that I don't have to melt anymore. But if you just want a bag and your butter is in the fridge, and then you can just heat it a bit and let it melt. It's no problem. And 1 egg. Yeah, in Germany, it's your egg. So, oops. And then we just mix everything. Sugar. Guys, it was easier, also better that I used my hand to mix them. Now the dough is ready. You can taste it. So then use the ninja speedi. So we pack them and put it into the baking form. If you're using black oven and pears, then you can put it in any baking form you want. To be honest, our cheesecake is not gonna be so blunt like on this photo. That's our ninja speedi. It's in a square form or flat. But yeah, it is the same. I didn't buy any back form or anything else from Ninja. I just used all it is in my pot, so let's make it nice. So now it's looking like this. Now we need the topping. You can use the same bowl, just clean a bit. Cool. So now the mixture for the topping, then we put the rest of our recipe now. 3 more eggs. And 150 grams of sauce. I personally like this käsekuchen. It's tastes really natural and yummy. Ever since I moved to Germany, I only like 2 different kind of water, and this one is like the normal one that you can easily find in any store, and there's one more that I think it's only in the baby, and 500 gram kvar. Yummy. And 300 grams of yogurt, natural yogurt, or Greek yogurt. Personally, I really like milk products. I am born in a country where people eat daily, every day milk products. Yeah, so okay. So it looks like this. Now I just mix everything. This one I bought today. We should be careful about some stuff because the old one I just broke it. I think it's only because I was always putting in the spoon machine, dishwasher, so maybe we should avoid. Don't put everything we want. Let's look. Yeah, needs more mixture. So it had to be mixed more. Now it looks like this. We just put this on the top. Yeah, that's it. So now I put it in the Ninja Speedy, and it has to go down. We turn it on. Now it's already on the baking marked and 160 for 160 degrees for 4 to 5 minutes. Let's see. So let's check now. Still so far. Yeah. Realized we could clean up the mess we made. So for Ninja Speed it's easy. You don't have to press anyway. Just open to check and close it. So it says like if you wanna put it in the back oven, it will be 55 minutes by 160 to 80 degrees. It's finished. Let's check. So it's brown, yellow brown. We'll check it with a toothpick. We'll stick it in. It's just coming out easily. It was clean, so which means it's well baked. Yeah. You can turn it up now and just let it stay for hours. If you have time, you can leave it just outside for several hours and you can put it in the fridge overnight. Yeah. And yeah, if you want, also you can use the decoration to put on the top, but that's so good. So it was quite late night for me yesterday when I started baking, so I let it stay overnight. Now I cut it and took them out. It looks good and I guess it is so yummy. And so there's probably not to take them out. We should be very careful because you could break or scratch the Ninja Speedy. So I use this plastic knife, and so never use iron things. Plastic or silicone are okay. So enjoy your cake.